Hello student, today we are going to learn first chapter from Science 1 Gravitation, and in that our today's topic is solve following example. From that question number 5 and sub question is B. I will read this example. The radius of planet A is half the radius of planet B. Here condition is given, radius of planet A. Suppose radius of planet A is RA, then radius of planet B is RB. This we have written here. Radius of planet A RA, radius of planet B RB. But condition, what is that condition? Radius of planet A means RA is half RB. RA equal to half RB. This is given. Mass of, if mass of A is Ma, I have written here mass of planet A equal to Ma. What is the mass of planet B? What is the mass of planet B? Suppose mass of planet B is Mb, but we want this mass in respect to Ma. या Maच्या तुलनेमध्ये Mb किती आहे हे आपल्याला काढायचं आहे या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये, आणि त्यासाठी कंडिशन दिलेली आहे दुसरी. सो दॅट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ G ऑन B इज हाफ दॅट ऑफ व्हॅल्यू ऑन A. म्हणजे या G ची व्हॅल्यू B वर, G ची व्हॅल्यू जी आहे ती B वर A च्या हाफ राहील. म्हणजे G ची व्हॅल्यू जेवढी A वर आहे त्याच्या निम्मे व्हॅल्यू B वर राहील. अशा कंडिशन मध्ये B चं मास किती राहील हे आपल्याला विचारलेलं आहे. म्हणून आपण G ऑन A इज G. G means gravitational constant. Sorry, gravitational acceleration. Gravitational acceleration of B is GB, and this GB is half GA. GB किती राहील? हाफ GA राहील. त्यावेळेला MB किती हे आपल्याला विचारलं. नाउ सरळ सरळ इथे ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल ॲक्सेलरेशनच्या बाबतीमध्ये आपण बोलतो आहोत, आणि म्हणून ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल ॲक्सेलरेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं तर आपण फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे आपल्याला. G इज इक्वल टू M G means gravitational acceleration multiply mass of the planet upon square of the radius of the planet. Square of the radius of the planet. This is formula. G equal to Gm upon R square. Where G is gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant, M is mass of that planet, and R is radius of that planet. Now we will keep value about A. Therefore Ga is equal to G. This is constant. Now M is Ma, and R is Ra. So this Ra square. Ra square. This is 1. Now about Gb, gravitational acceleration on B, is equal to universal gravitational constant G multiply mass of B, that is Mb, upon Rb square, upon Rb square. Now this is 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write ratio of them. Why ratio? We want value of Mb in respect to Ma, and for that we must write ratio of these two. From first and second, Ga upon Gb, Ga upon Gb is equal to, what is here? Gma upon RA square. Now, this will be in denominator GMB upon RB square. म्हणजेच भागी लावी असं लिहितो मी त्याऐवजी डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये लिहिण्याऐवजी. And we know we can make this inverse, means divided by the inverse multiplied by भागीला उलट गुणीला. मग denominator will numerator and numerator will be denominator here. Means this will be R square B upon GMB. Now here this G and G will cancel. Now we will keep value which we know from the data, of GA, GB or MB etc. or RA etc. So here GA is GA upon value of GB. We know gravitational acceleration on B equal to GB, and the GB is equal to half GA. Means here I will write half GA. This is equal to, now MA, mass of planet A, upon RA square. This RA square or RA means radius of A is half the radius of B. So we can keep this value here, half RB, half RB. RA ची व्हॅल्यू हाफ RB आहे, परंतु याचा स्क्वेअर आहे म्हणून I will keep this in bracket. R square है multiply RB square upon MB. Now make this square. Here GA will be cancelled. Now what is here? 1 upon 2. So if we make this inverse, this will become 2. GA cancel, 2 is equal to, what is here? MA upon 1 जा square 1, 2 जा square 4, R square B multiply R square B or RB square upon MB. Now RB square cancel. This 1 upon 4. Here also same condition like this. So if we make 1 upon 4, this will be inverse. So numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So this 2 is equal to, this 4 will come in the numerator and 1 in denominator. 4 multiply M. 4 multiply MA upon, what is remain here? MB. 4 multiply M upon MB. Now 4 is here in the numerator, that will go in denominator. Here we take this to this side. Therefore, 2 upon 4 is equal to MA upon MB. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now cross multiplication. MB into 1 means MB. MB into 1 means MB is equal to 2 multiply MA. This is 2MA. This is 2MA. And thus we have calculated the value of MB. That will be double the MA. MB is equal to 2MA. MB is equal to 2MA. And thus we solve this problem. Question number 5B. Again I will tell you in short what is given. Radius of planet B is RB. Radius of planet A is RA. Radius of planet A means RA is half RB. We write here half RB. Mass of planet A MA, that of B MB. G on A GA and G on B GB. This GB is half that of GA. Now our formula is G equal to GM upon R square. We keep value, obtain these two equations, and from one end to we write from one end to we write J upon GB equal to GMA upon RA square multiply divided by inverse multiplied by RB square upon GMB. GG cancel, remaining we write here, and after solving this we get this step 2 equal to 4MA upon MB. Now this 4 goes in the denominator. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 here, 1 half. We make cross multiplication. MB equal to 2MA. MB equal to 2MA, and this is our answer which we want. जे हा जो MB प्लॅनेट आहे त्याचं मास किती राहील तर ते राहील डबल ऑफ द मास ऑफ प्लॅनेट ए. एमएच्या डबल राहील, एमएच्या डबल राहील. आणि त्या कंडिशन मध्ये मग बी ची जी बी प्लॅनेटची जी ची व्हॅल्यू आहे ती एच्या निम्मे राहील. या कंडिशननुसार जेव्हा एमबीचं मास डबल असते या सर्व कंडिशनमध्ये एमबी इज इक्वल टू 2MA. एवढं लिहायचं, जास्ती खोलात जाऊ नका या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये. म्हणजे आन्सर लिहिताना आपल्याला फक्त एवढं लिहावं लागेल, MB और mass of the planet B is double the mass of the planet A, or MB equal to 2MA simply.